Hi there and welcome back. I am creating this special episode because somebody inquired from me if we can customize possibly the Odoo login screen. And in fact, he presented me a sample of a login screen which looks like the background of our Mac web theme. Now, it's a little difficult to customize the login screen with the Mac web theme because it may be in conflict with the existing styles used by the theme itself. So I have researched on ways how to customize this, and Odoo being pre-styled is difficult to customize, but there's a lot of customizations that you can do, although limited on the login screen. So let's try to do that now. I've gone through several ways. The simplest way is to tinker with the Odoo base code. It's a little dangerous, but we can make it safe by creating a backup. Okay. Where do we find the Odoo login screen? Let's look at that in our VS Code. In our VS Code, we have add-ons, and then we look for web. I'm going to give you the link to this on the description below. Web, and under web we have views. In the views we have web clients.xml. This contains the layout that is used to present the login screen. Let's look for that. The name is web login layout and it's found on line 110. Okay, there it is. So the simplest customization we can do is to present the header. So we can make this false. No header. False means there will be a header. And then we'll have to stop our Odoo. And then we have to upgrade the assets. I'm going to give you the list of commands on the GitHub repository in the description below. So to update our assets, we have to stop Odoo, which we have done, and then we have to use this command. Okay. Odoo bin / Odoo -u web. Okay, we are going to update the web, this web add-on. Let's do that again. We're going to update the web add-on and then stop after it. Now it's stopped. Now we will start our Odoo. Let's open our browser. Check what happened. Now our login page has a header. It's as simple as that. Okay. I didn't find the template for the header. You can find it yourself. And then we would like this background to adopt the background of our Mac web theme. So let's go back to that. By the way, before we do that, we make a backup. We'll copy this. While it's not yet late, we'll make a backup. Under views, we'll say web client templates backup.xml. So we have made a backup. So now we'll go back to our actual web clients. We will close this so that we don't incidentally change. Anyway, we have put a header. The next thing to do is the most critical part. We are going to put a style that will impose a background. Now we cannot put it in the regular CSS file that's found in static SRC here. That's because if you put a CSS here, the Mac web theme will override it. So therefore, we'll have to use an inline style. Where do we put the inline style? Right at the 110. Let me look for that. So we're going to add this style after the footer, before the container, so that this will apply to the body of our login screen. It's a simple style. Let me just copy it and explain this. What will this do is impose a background on the body. Okay, we still use a height of 100%, and the body is a background with a color. This color is taken from the URL of Mac Web Theme. You can choose your own color. If you're going to choose the web theme, you can also choose the color from here. You can pick the color from the color picker. So our body will have this background color, and we'll have a wrap so that it will wrap around 100%. Let's save this. Let's stop Odoo and update it again. That's the way to update it. Odoo bin-c odooconf-u web. Update the web app and stop after init. We'll have to wait because we have stop after init. And then run Odoo again. Let's refresh this. Now we have a different looking login screen. So I think this is what my subscriber wants, to make the login screen look like the Mac Web theme. Let's try to log in. Let's try to log out again. Okay, so we have the same login screen. Before I end, let me remind you that before you do this, you always make a backup of your web client's template.xml under the web app in add-ons of Odoo. I will give you a list of the complete code and how to update it and restart Odoo in a GitHub repository, which I will indicate in the description below. Thanks for watching this video, and I have started another series. If you're interested in JavaScript, see you there. Bye for now, and see you soon.